Good morning, children. We are doing chapter number 14, prepositions. So let us revise what all we learned about prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun, and a preposition tells us about position or place. Let us see some examples. The plane took off at 8 a.m. Roma passed the thread through the beads. Paul parked the car near the house. At, through, near, these words are prepositions. The car jumped out of the window. Ritesh jumped into the river. I love stories about wizards and magicians. Here, out of, into, and about are prepositions. All these words at, through, near, out of, into, and about show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence. They are called prepositions. Let us learn prepositions with the help of pictures. Now these pictures will show you the position of a ball. Look at this picture. Now can you see the ball on something? It is called on. When you place a thing on something, on top of it, it's called on. Same way, I will show you different prepositions with the help of position of the ball. Then in. Can you see the ball? It's inside the box. So that's called in. Under. Now look at under, something below is under. Then next to, two things kept next to each other. Inside, in or inside is the same. Near, two things not together but close to each other is near. Over, something above is over. Below, opposite of over, something below is showing in the picture. Next, out of. Can you see a ball coming out of the box? Into, something going into. The boy jumped into the water. Then down. Can you see the down arrow? Ball going down. Then around. Something around you. In front of. A thing kept in front of something. And through. Can you see through? It passes from one point to the other point is called through. Up. Up. Something which is going up. Among. Among means too many things together. Above. Something at a little height is above. Behind. Something which is at the back is behind. Between. Something between two things is showing here in this picture. Can you see this ball? Between these two black balls. And then across. Across means, look here, look at the picture. Now this is the line and it is crossing the line. It is across. These pictures will help you learn the position better and help you understand prepositions. We have already completed exercise A and B. Children, those who have not done can see the previous video and complete the work. Today we will do exercise C, which we have already done in class. If you have not done, please see the video and complete the work. Now can you see this is the classroom and the teacher is teaching some children. So what you have to do, fill in the blank to complete the composition. Use prepositions from the ones given below. Now different prepositions are given here. And can you see this paragraph? Which is not complete. You have to choose the correct preposition from the box and complete the paragraph. So let's read the paragraph and complete the work. Miss Neeta is dash the classroom. She is in the classroom, right? She's inside the class, okay? So, in the classroom. She is looking, where she is looking? At the children and saying something to them. You tell something to someone, okay? So, to them. The children are sitting on the benches. You sit on something. You sit on chair, on table, on sofa, on bed. They are writing in their notebooks. The boy sitting in the front row. Can you see this boy sitting in the front row? Is Rahul. A girl wearing a bow. Can you see a girl? She's wearing a bow. Is sitting next to him. Whom? Rahul. So next to. Can you see? They are sitting close by. They are not sitting together but next to each other. She is Lily. Samarth and Ankit are sitting dash Lily. Now this is Lily. This is Samarth and Ankit. They are at the back side of Lily, which is behind. Behind Lily. Soumya is sitting dash Samarth. Now this is Soumya. Soumya is sitting again. This is Samarth. So next to Samarth. Okay. Two charts are hanging. Now there are two charts here hanging on the wall. About, what are they? Behind the children. Where are they? Behind the children. Now children are here and the wall is behind them. So right behind, and the charts are about fruits and vegetables. That means the charts tells us about something. It gives us knowledge of fruits and vegetables. So about. Children, other exercises related to prepositions we will do in the next class. Complete your work. Complete exercise A, B and C, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.